Recare lubricant. 5 reasons to buy human lubricant from Recare. First, this is the hot-selling sex gel in 2022. Because they're good quality and good price, our capacity has increased 30% than last year. We have seen an increase of Recare brand sex lubricant with a growing demand. Second, this is ready to ship products. If you are tired of long production time, our sex lubricant has stock, including warm filling, time filling, aloe vera lubricant. Third, we can accept OEM and ODM order. Fourth, you don't need to worry about quality and price. Fifth, great, trendy design is what we always aiming for. Come talk to us for more professional advice and products.